Will I study programming? We have to think twice. A programmer is a bricklayer. Think about it. An application that runs on the internet is the same as a house that I build. I have bricklayers putting the bricks down. I have programmers moving a mouse around and typing, building applications for me. Now, it's great if you're young. I myself used to be a programmer. Started as an IBM assembler programmer way back in 1979. Yes, and I kept with the programming up to the current program languages of today. Python, Java, C Sharp, VB.NET, and everything that you can use currently. The challenge that we have is that programming languages keep on changing. Not so long ago, PHP was the flavor of the month. Now, it's C Sharp and Python. And in 6 weeks or 6 months from now, it's going to be something else. The challenge is that by the time you're 35 or 40, you're too old to be a programmer. There's people working for cheaper than you want to work for. Therefore, I don't want you anymore. At age 35 to 40, forget it. I don't want you as a programmer. You're too old then. So, yes, studying programming, as long as I understand, it's an entry step. I'm going to program for a few years, till 25, 26, 27, and then I'm going to get out of programming. I'm not going to make programming a career. That's the part you need to understand. Programming languages come and go. Every one of them that's currently on the market will come and go. If you go and look at history, you'll see they'll all come and they'll go. So it's no good spending your life being a programmer or studying programming and say, this is my career for 40 years. You cannot be a programmer for 40 years. You'll be too old and too expensive. I will rather hire a 25-year-old. I'll probably get 4 of them for the price that I have to pay you by the time you're 50. Therefore, programming is a good starting point for the first few years, and the first few years only.